Why do people act the way they do? This question has puzzled us for centuries. Human behavior is complex. It is influenced by many factors. Our thoughts, feelings, and experiences shape our actions. Understanding human psychology is important. It helps us understand ourselves better. We can then make sense of the world around us. Psychology also helps us predict how people might act. This knowledge is valuable in many areas of life. For example, understanding psychology is important in business. Businesses use psychology to market their products. They want to understand what makes people buy. Psychology is also important in healthcare. Therapists use psychology to help people with mental health issues. In conclusion, human psychology is a vast and fascinating field. It offers valuable insights into the complexities of human behavior. By understanding the forces that drive our actions, we can navigate the world with greater empathy and awareness. Cognitive dissonance is a psychological theory. It explains the discomfort we feel when our beliefs and actions don't match. We all want to see ourselves as consistent. We want our beliefs and actions to line up. When they don't, it creates inner conflict. This conflict is called cognitive dissonance. It can be very uncomfortable. For example, imagine you believe in protecting the environment, but you also really enjoy driving your car. This creates dissonance. Your action, driving, clashes with your belief, protecting the environment. To reduce dissonance, people might change their beliefs, or they might change their actions. Sometimes they might even try to justify their behavior. Understanding cognitive dissonance helps us understand why people sometimes act in ways that seem irrational. We are social creatures. Other people influence our thoughts and actions. Two psychological principles demonstrate this: social proof and the halo effect. Social proof is the idea that we look to others for guidance. We are more likely to do something if we see others doing it. Think about a crowded restaurant. You might choose that restaurant because it seems popular. The halo effect is our tendency to make judgments based on first impressions. If we find someone attractive, we might assume they are also intelligent or kind. This effect can influence our opinions of products, brands, and even political candidates. Both social proof and the halo effect show how easily we are swayed by external factors. Understanding these influences can help us make more objective decisions. Understanding human psychology can be incredibly helpful in our daily lives. It allows us to better understand ourselves and the people around us. For example, knowing about cognitive dissonance can help us make better decisions. We can be more aware of our own biases. We can try to be more objective when we face internal conflict. Understanding social proof and the halo effect can protect us from manipulation. We can be more critical of advertising and marketing. We can be more aware of how our judgments are influenced. By applying psychological principles, we can improve our relationships, make informed decisions, and navigate the complexities of human interaction with greater insight.